Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and see archive stories right there in your Facebook app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you're going to do, simply go ahead, update your app and open your Facebook app. Once your app is open, go ahead, tap on the profile icon top left corner, tap on this three dot icon beside edit profile, and now tap on this option called archive given right over there. If you tap on that option, you will be able to find all of the posts, and if you go to this story archive option given on top right left corner, tap on it. Now you have all of the stories that you have posted so far here in your archive section. So yes guys, this is how you can go ahead and access it. And if you're not being able to find it, this special archive option, tap on the activity log, and then you can tap on this archive, and again you will tap on story archive. You're good to go, you will be able to access it. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.